Should open this. Let me get the link. I call this stream non-stl stuff because the previous stream gave me nightmares. You're supposed. What the? Why is Control C not working? Is it? Is my C key broken? It's working. Okay. Okay, here's my vlog. Okay. I'm. Yeah, I called. Yeah, non-stl. So yeah, I want to look into more digestible stuff. I should look into STF soon, but not now. So let me just look at this. So this is the GameCube version, and I should focus more on it, to be honest. So can I do VM thread stuff? You know, there this run. Yeah. Okay, this looks like a cool one. Do I already have this or no? So, and Vim Spidey source VM thread. Set camera priority. Yeah, I can do this one. Rational T. I need to export it first. Source VM thread. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the music. So let's just look at camera priority. Yeah, set. Okay. Oh, nice. It's literally the same thing. I'm happy with it. Actually, I need to go here. And I should add validation to it. Okay, so does this build? Yes, it does. But I should add validation, so camera priority should be offset 38. Yeah. Scary stuff. Yeah. So VM, what other VM stuff exists, right? VM executable. Ooh, this looks sweet. So what's the size of a VM executable, right? It's 3C. It's one of those annoying script objects. I hate this so much. But can I find it through other means, like clear? Seems to me no link. Oh, interesting. So library class. Is it? Okay, this looks like a good one. Nice. It's always the same one, which is good. Great. So, yeah. So this VM executable link. The cool thing about this one is that I can go to VM executable. Yeah, there's the jump. And around here should be the constructor, the destructor. Huh. Oh, okay. This thing. What the heck? Let me just take a look at VM executable. Executable header, of course. Yeah. Script. Oh no, there's the parameter list, right? Yeah. Okay, that complicates stuff. Okay. What other? Oh yeah, there's the VM stack, but I think I already done that. Yeah. Should I go for SLF stuff or SLC manager? STD3. Yeah. There's a lot of standard stuff going on that. Yeah, it just means that I need to focus on that soon, rather than later. You know? It's inserting. Yeah, all SLF stuff is behind that. So. Ooh. Cards.ngl. Should I do ngl? I don't know. I want something. Oh, file manager release file. That's bigger than I thought. Get token, build token. I'm thinking what I should do. I want, easy stuff that I can, this is cool. Wait, is there such a thing in grenade? Is a grenade? What? That's funny. Is a rocket? That's crazy. Yeah. I should focus. Yeah, that's game stuff, not really. Maybe I can do end. AI interface, push disable. Should I get into AI interface? No. Calculate eye position. That's scary stuff. Length. Okay. And there's like this init static data, destroy static data. AI interface. Is there such a thing in Calculator? Let me put this in the screen. So AI interface. Okay, definitely exists. So get current path. Yeah. Let me also look at the implementation. So get current path. I want to see if it's even remotely similar, If locomotion equals null, then return null, else locomotion get current path. And yeah, that's basically get current path graph. So maybe I should start with more basic classes, like singleton. I'm wondering what are, more simple classes. Maybe entity, no? I guess entity should be on my top 10 priorities. Entity ID. I'm just using strings for now. We should probably do something like DTBA. I guess that entity ID is a good one. Yeah. Wait, there's MetroWorks here. Metro. Yeah. I guess to use MetroWorks. Entity ID. Entity ID. That's cool. No! This is the worst thing of all time. Get value. Of course. Maybe the STL is more prevalent than I thought. That's crazy. File finder. Oh yeah, OS developer. Game. Should I even focus on game? Game info. Enable PAL. Oh, okay. Maybe game is a better one. It seems like a standalone thing. So get game file. Get game file. Oh, what? Doesn't exist. Crazy. Is PAL allowed? And have crazy functions that we have over here. What? Kind of funny. Get platform. Ah. What the fuck are these functions? Interesting. So, process sheet. I cannot find any reference to most of these. So set fog color, right? Okay, let's look at this. Set. Yoink. Game set fog. Okay, here there's a fog manager. Kind of funny when I think about it. There's a fog manager. Render load meter. Load new level looks like an interesting function. Oh, okay, finally something that exists. It's different and pause. Okay, this looks like a good one to do. Get curve state. Get curse state. Where? I cannot find the function anywhere. That's crazy. Wait, is it defined in the header file? Get curse state. No, someone else is implementing it. What? In this file, game process, game CPP. I don't demo mode. What? Game process? Okay, process stack. Man, I think I need a STL for this. Yeah, oh my fucking god. Yeah, there's a lot of what do I say? A lot of interesting things, I gotta say, going on here. So by trying to avoid STL, I just got more STL'd. Maybe I can implement the OS file stuff. It'll be totally different across these versions. Add in the file. Yeah, I guess it will be more interesting. Yes, okay, let's do OS file. I guess it's a more sane thing to do. XB file. So I also want to look at the GameCube version of file. Okay, it can go away. I think the GameCube, like this is the GameCube one. That's why I want to look at the GC file. So here it is. Here's the beautiful. So I just do get size, right? So that's the opened right there. So get size. Yeah, it's the same thing across. Not really. Okay. So the Xbox version is slightly different. So here there's open from CD, right? DVD get length. And you return that. But here it's fsec. So let's take a look at demo load. I guess is a good one to take a look at. Load is level 2. Oof. Okay, demo. Show demo text. This one. So this one is this one. And this should be the G demo over here. G demo. Yes. Is the demo load. Good. No. Okay. My bad. This is the demo load. Oh, I already have the OS file stuff here. You go here. I didn't know that I already had it. Okay. OS file. Beautiful. Okay. So I'll need to compare both versions. OS file, OS file. So flags, I think they'll be super similar though. OS file. Flags. Kind of different though. So one, this has invalid FP, this has invalid host, file system host, but I don't think it's that different though. So duplicates. So what I can do is just go here to the class definitions. XB file H. So the class declaration, these look like the same. Common to all implementation stuff. Okay, that's where they differ, right? So there's a common to all, and then there's a, yeah. So there's some very small differences, which is fine. Maybe I should look into this one. Okay, this one for sure. Yeah, okay, this is this one, I guess. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I think I already have OS file. Invalid handle value. Crazy. Yeah, indeed. So Spidey TM source. Oh, it already exists. Okay. It's time to fix this. So for some reason, invalid handle value, I can just go so I can just do if not defined, invalid handle value. And I can do define invalid handle. What? Invalid handle value is -1 and if. Okay, now. So maybe I'll go with the Xbox One, which is similar to PC. I might be making a mistake though, but who knows? Okay. What the fuck? Okay. I'm always going to the same files. Okay. So IO invalid FP. I don't know where does it get the invalid FP though. The Xbox One. It's never defined anywhere. Oh, it's defined as 0. What? That's crazy. Okay, whatever. I'll just build and start comparing. So, to be honest, let me just do validate, include my assertions. Okay, validate OS file. Matter of fact, let's just friend void validate OS file. It is important. Yeah. Patch, no, not validate size, OS file 0, I don't know, but I can already start looking at this guy. So validate OS file, okay, name 0, then flags should be 8. This is what I don't know. Open then from CD. Open and from CD. I'll just keep it like that. Then so validate OS file, yeah. DLL main. Good. One error in line 12. What? Missing semicolon. Ah, yeah, okay. I did delete that. Let me just open the X window right here. And I need to run the copy script. Copy. There we go. Yes, run it. Okay, apparently the size is 20. Open is C, and from CD is D. So flags pushes it to C. Yeah, okay. Kind of looks fine, but I just need to be super duper sure about that. Yeah. You go there. So here we go. So here I can add OS file. Go away. So the first thing that I can actually, let me just add type. Yeah, this guy. Okay, I can just copy paste these guys like so, and great. It looks like it's perfect. OS file pointer. CD. It is a big one. I have no idea what is that. So yeah. What? Did I forget to define string? Oh yeah, I totally forgot. So string X right here. So you can just go to string X right over here. Oh yeah, my bad. So this is my buff, and is a char pointer called chars. Okay, let's look at the GameCube version then. I doubt that they touch this. So host file is the name of the thing. What's the actual thing? No, not this one. This guy. Over here. Is yeah, good. So I can just go here and do this. Yeah. And this is called host file. Let me put this as a void pointer so that it's a little better. Is that great? Yep, E210. Okay. Huh. So I have two unknown fields, which I'm okay with. So yeah. So field 10, so field 14 equals 0. Good. Kind of expected this to happen. So C, D. Time to build. System locked. Where the fuck did... I don't give a shit about this. Good stuff. $24. Maybe. Can I? Maybe. That's just... Yeah. Okay. Okay, this looks, I think, exactly as I expect. No. Ah, perfect. That's much better. So if we do side-by-side comparison, this matches perfectly and I can start patching it. Ah, I love this. So include my patch. So void patch OS file. So I can't even do... Oh yeah, no. Yeah. Does this work? Puts re-t function. I don't think it works. I think I tried it and it failed miserably. Yeah, that's right. Patch OS file. So patch push ret. What's the address? The address hombre here. So here the OS file. Yeah. My bad. So we actually need this string over here. That's good. So we actually do okay matching. So I just want to test it. Maybe I should also make this as a friend, just for friend void. Yeah. And my validations. Batch OS file. Okay, that's good. Cannot. Oh yeah, my bad, my bad. So it should be poly. Let's just try to run it. Oh, now it was really quick. That's what I like to see. So, oh my god, it's opening files and it's working. Is what I like to see, you know. And files are being opened. Yep. These are like handles. So, okay. Now I can just do. No. Git status. Git commit. Maybe now I should do the. Oh, that's good. That's good. So there's a destructor, which I think I should focus first. So let's go here, right? OS file. Yep. I have no idea what this is about, but we'll figure it out. What the fuck? And map view of file. Oh yeah, it's most likely because of this. Yeah, okay. Close. And map view of file. Let's just see if there's anything like this. So it maps the files. That's crazy. I actually like it. I need to be honest. Okay. I'll just take a quick look at my phone. Oh, okay. So this is a string X. Not OS file, sorry. Open. Okay. So this is good to see. So OS file. Let me just validate this. Close. So GC file. So close. Oh yeah, okay. This is the offsets. Whatever that means, right? Go away, not you. Not you. Yeah, this one, okay. So it's around here. It's this one. And it's called offset. Okay. That's good to know. More importantly, so OS file. Yeah. So is open. So is open. Oh, it's defined most likely in the header. That's interesting. Okay, matching. So now this version, I don't give a shit. So this, I forgot how to use handles and view. So let me just, I think that's just a pointer, right? And map view file. A pointer to the base address of the that is to be mapped. Okay. So yeah, I can call this like file handle and LP, I don't know, LPC, long pointer const. Yeah, okay, that's interesting. It's indeed a handle. No more, no less. Yeah. That's invalid handle enum. Invalid handle value. This one. No, what the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, whatever. I'm just going to give up on it. Decimal. Fuck it. Hexadecimal. Yeah, boy. So field 10. So you are a handle and you're a void pointer. And close should be inlined. And it's basically, you can basically just copy this. And it will be mostly correct. So, no. So you take this guy out. Okay, this is what it needs to look like. Yeah. Don't need a pointer. Close handle. Valid handle value. Now it looks good. So line 9. Invalid handle value. That's cool. Let's go now to Toby DLL. Toby DLL. Wait, I forgot to export it. So I should just go straight to the destructor. Export and then build. Okay. Quite cool that now I can basically hook into the file loading routines. What the heck? Okay, it's this guy. Let's just also get this either view. Yeah, good. Good. Yeah, this is exactly how I expected it to go. Good stuff. So what do I need here? Is this done like this? I think so. Okay, matching. Can go okay, matching. Yeah. Maybe I should just file handle. Of course, now field 10. Just the file handle. Good. And now file map. File map, I guess. File pointer, maybe. This. I don't know if there's a 2-in-1 for these kind of things, but okay. Let's just do a puts here. Copy. Now it's super fast. I don't know. I don't understand OSL. See? Files getting destroyed. Now this is loading files. Let me actually do something cool, right? So I can do puts. I can do printf here. And I can do name C string. Let's actually try this. Might be cool. See the files getting nuked. Look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing. Legal LTI. It's working just fine. Okay, let me just put it here. Definitely, this will cause a saved data to be read. Unloaded. Huh. Interesting. This is loading a bunch of files. Dope. Alrighty. Does it load all the files in a row? Yeah. Let's just see if I quit, does it? Yeah, okay. It basically caused a bunch of stuff to be reloaded, which makes sense. So git status, git diff. So OS file. So I can just say OS file, OS file. Okay. I haven't done this one though. This is the yeah, this is a little bigger. I should obviously do this, but let's first focus on other routines. Close, no, okay. Attend the file, set root directory. Set pre-root directory, interesting. So, something weird about file. File handle, and is a void pointer, file ptr. Yeah. Why there's a write routine though? Yeah. LP buffer, yeah, this looks like a generic S function. Yeah, this looks like I can just yoink it like this, right? So is it different in the... No, okay, they are always the same. Oh, I don't have the right here, okay. Should definitely get them. It's a little lower, but fuck it. I'll just put it here. So there's nothing too crazy about this. So just do this guy. Return. And here the data. Bytes. I guess it's just this. Oh yeah. Cannot convert from int pointer to unsigned long pointer. Yeah, okay. It just works. What the fuck? I don't like that cast, but whatever. I don't. What's that pointer though? For write file. So write file. So right here. So MSDN write file. So write file. Number of out optional. Yeah, I fucked up. So I guess what happened is that written. I guess it's just an optimization, and I just wrongly written. Okay. Yeah, that's just. I can't even write proper code. Yeah, see? So what happens here is that, where is this? This, yeah. This is so based. I don't think this is ever used, but whatever. Kind of funny. Okay, matching. What else do I need here? Okay, so maybe I can just do this. Come here. This guy. Oh no, write is definitely used to save files and stuff. Right, okay. Yeah. OS file, right. These guys are funny, get size. Yeah. So start. So it's below. This should be the get size. Oh, yeah. Get size. I'm in the header. But here they raw dog the function. Okay, get size. Yeah, this is funny. They basically don't call the function. They just check the variable. I think I can do better than that. So what's the name of the function? Yeah, this one, get size. You come here, literally here. Return get file size. This file handle null. And yeah, this should be enough. 2 warnings. Okay, that's fine. 6, 7. What? Take a database snapshot. Hell no. Go, yeah. No. So get size. Yeah, it's literally the same thing. Do. Get size. OS file, get size. Okay. Set file pointer. Interesting. Is that a static function? No. So it's a void, by the way. So it doesn't return shit. This is a OS file. OS file. Let me check the GameCube version. Set file pointer. So, Okay, this is a switch statement. Okay, makes sense. FP current, yeah, isn't supported. Yeah, okay. So set FP. So it's the position and base. What the fuck? I have no idea what this is referring to. Slash open. I don't know. And map viewer file. What the fuck? This is interesting. Set file point. Okay, this looks more like what I guess is about. So this is a position and this is base. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is literally what's been done on the Xbox version. And this is a void, by the way. So let me see if set file pointer. Jesus Christ. FX Twin has such great songs. So move method. Yeah, file begin, current, and yeah, okay. So here, and yeah. So I need to put file begin, file current, and file end, and then set file pointer. This is the method, so just do this. Method, yeah, so this is basically set FP. And this should be perfect. So yeah, let's take a look at it here. So pause and base, okay. Pause and base. Yeah, that's perfect. Copy this. Set FP. Okay. Okay. Matching. I like it. I know there's a secret function still lurking there over here. Yeah. What? It looks like this. Okay, this is not the same. Toby, no, not this one, this guy. Where is this used? Root dir? Doesn't really matter though. So root directory. Let's just find the root directory. Max dir length. Try to open from disk. Ah, try to open from CD. And doesn't really matter, but oh wait. I'm just guessing. I just need to look at here. So okay. Now, so this one is the root. Is the string x. Die 2, I have no idea what's die. So I can just go here, do void os file, set root directory, const string x pointer, dir, string copy os, okay, os file, root directory, dir c string, right? Do I need to do c string? Yeah, c string. So dir c string. Yeah, that's cool. Unresolved root directory. Am I forgetting static here? What? Okay, void. Okay. No, this is good. I don't need this. Okay. Maybe. What? Unresolved external symbol? OS file pre-root direct. What? Unresolved. Is this shit serious? Is it? I'm not even exporting them anymore. What? Why? Okay. Let's just uncomment this. Unresolved private static char. Am I going crazy or what? What the heck? I'm actually going crazy now. What's the issue here? What is the issue? Unresolved. Fuck, let me just ask Mr. GPT. Okay, let's see what Mr. GPT. Oh, they also must be defined. Root directory. Ah, what the fuck? Seriously. So they also must be defined. Okay, so GPT actually helped me a lot. So you need to define them. What the fuck? So that's the definition. Okay. I'm learning so much. It probably makes sense why that's the case, but I have no idea why that's the case. And I'm too lazy to learn it now. So where is it? Where is it? This guy. Okay. So what I need to do is just go here, root dir. Yes, guys, export. So I have fancy names to actually add. Don't error out. Oh, lots of stuff changes. That's interesting. Pam, pam, pam. That's beautiful. So which one is set first? Root, pre-root. Okay. So first is the root directory that's set. This one. Is the pre-root. Did I forget to export? Oh yeah, there's no function. Perfect. Alrighty. That was the problem all along. Okay. Save game. Okay, that's definitely not yeah, if we patch the set, I also need to patch the get. That's yeah. Let's see if these save games pop up here. Or no. Really? I see this is a function. Create directory A. It looks like a template bullshit. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely template bullshit. Oh, interesting. Right over here. Okay. But yeah, I understand it now. So I need to hook these guys. Oh, file attributes. That's interesting. Hmm. Yeah, I need to be careful with this. Okay. Alrighty. So what do I need? What do I need? So there's a lot of functions here from what I can see. And there's this f open thing. This one, okay. Doesn't seem to be used any. Hmm. Hmm. Like the equivalent will be like to stat the file this. I don't know if this is, used. That's the thing that's confusing me, right? I might need to use a debugger for this one. Oh, wait. Okay, that's fine. DX window, tools, this guy. Okay. Okay, that's good. They weren't removed, but they still exist, which is the weird part. That thing is not triggered. Doesn't mean I'm not concerned. It's not being triggered at all. Oh, yeah, I can work on the optimizer in the next stream. It's a simple thing. Yoink. Ooh. Yeah. So that's interesting. That F open thing looks like leftover code. Like the host open. Hmm. Come on, there's strings about this. Hosts have open, yeah. That's basically it. It may never be. Okay. Let's see what the GameCube looks like. So host stuff. Host. Oh, it's not implemented at all. I don't think I'll need this, but I can just implement them for good measure. Oh, it's actually implemented here. That's interesting. So, yeah. Interesting. Okay. Whatever. Host file system handle. Yeah, these are the crazy ones. For debugging via file on the host system. That's interesting. Yeah. So this is the file name. These are the flags. So let me just try to create it. So type def just copy this guy. So let's just go here. So yeah, it's mostly just switch statements. Okay, I need to take these here. Okay. So case. Yeah, this switch flags and post TB mask, post text. Actually, post text, post binary. Return open name open flag. Okay, it looks fine. Wrong thing. No, this is the opposite. Did I mess up? I think I messed up. Yeah, did I mess up? No, I didn't. I think someone got it the other way around. Yeah, this looks like bugged. I don't know either. Doesn't get the name from the symbols there. No. Yeah, they goofed up big time. Basically. How did they get this backwards? So, host TB binary. Ah, no. Okay, okay. So let's just be quadruple sure. What the fuck? So text is for. Did I mess it up? No, I did. I just forgot to save. Just. For fuck's sake. Hey man, I see you. Just go here. This looks good. This is the thing that I care about. T. Okay. Now these guys are matching. So. So what I need to do is patch push red. This address. Host F open. Great. So git diff host F open. Yeah. Okay, matching. Git commit. I will continue this another day. But okay, should I save the workspace? I don't think I made. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it was a good stream. Before I go, let me just copy this and validate it one more time. I assume that if everything loads fine, everything is good. Should work on the load routines like another day. Yeah. Everything seems to be working fine. Great. So git push. Let's save the IDB. So this one goes away. This one is mint. This one is good too. My god, it built so quick. So this is what I did today. Cool stuff. Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, really cool stream, I gotta say. How long did 19 seconds? My god, the VMs are just so sweet. Okay, before I go, I'd like to remind everyone that I have an amazing blog. Let me just go there. Yeah. Sorry, man. Yeah. So you should go there to read more about these projects. Yeah, I usually try to stream even earlier, so I just got home later today. So here's the link for the latest blog post. But yeah, today it was exhausting at work, so I don't feel like working more. But yeah. Wish everyone. Let's see if this finished before I go. Okay, the backup is backed up. So yeah, like, have a nice one and see you on the next.